Hi, welcome back to my channel with my pink basket. Now, let's go looking for gun with me. Wow, this is the first finding guns. Wow, amazing guns. Put on my basket. Let's go, follow me and don't forget subscribe my video. Subscribe. And I get, wow, I get orange guns. Very long gun. Wow. Let's go. Wadidaw. Long gun also. Wow, this is twin gun. Wow, but different color of telescope. Wadidaw. Very amazing. Wow, let's go. Wow. What is this? This is Spider-Man crawling. Wow. Amazing Spider-Man crawling. Wadidaw. Wow. Very good Spider-Man. Wow. Spider-Man gun. Very short. Shotgun Spider-Man. Let's go. Wow, stop. What is this? Wow. In the spinach trees. Wow, this is sword. Very good sword. Let's go. Wadidaw. Dino. Wow. Amazing Dino. Wow. Wow, Spider-Man mask. Amazing Spider-Man mask. Wow, let's go. Whoa. It's red shotgun. Very good red shotgun. Wow. Wow. Blue shotgun. Wow, amazing. Blue shotgun. Let's go. Follow me. Wow. Amazing gun. Wadidaw. Wow. It's very amazing gun. Wow. Fire gun. Fire. Wow. Let's go. Wow. Yellow gun. Amazing. Wow, look at. In the grass. Wow. This is long soft gun. Put on my basket. Wow. Super gun. Amazing. Wadidaw. Amazing super knife gun. Wow, on the stone. Wow. Very good gun. Wadidaw. One more. Wow. It's very good gun. Wow. Amazing gun. Wow, let's go. Follow me. Gun with sound effect. Wow. This is the best gun. Wadidaw. Amazing best gun. Wow, let's go. The weather is fairly good today. Wow. Hang on the tree. Wadidaw. What is that? Wow, this is handcuff. Wow, handcuff catch shotgun. Wow. Very good handscape. Wadidaw. Wih, please subscribe my video.